Hello, this is Vocal Explorations and Keeping the Beat, number 1. Let's start with our cards. Here's our kitty cat. She says, meow, meow, meow. Thank you for doing the meows with me. This is a bicycle with a flat tire. We're going to make the sound of the tire. Let's take a big breath and do that again. Ooh, a bumblebee. Buzz. Keep your eyebrows up. Buzz. And our friends on a roller coaster. Whee! 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 Let's run through them all again. Meow, meow, meow. Bzz, bzz. Whee! 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 Thank you for exploring your voice with me. Next, we're going to keep the beat, so do what I do. Be my mirror. I don't know if you noticed, but my friend back there has just returned from London. Luckily, she's safe and healthy. But this is my friend Pussycat. Hi. And I thought you could join me in a conversation with her. Pussycat, Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, Pussycat, what did you there? I frightened the little mouse under her chair. That's interesting, Pussycat. Yeah. Did you see Big Ben? I did. It was so big. Let's say our poem again. Pussycat, Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, Pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. If you have a kitty cat in your house, can you go grab it and bring it back? And we can have conversations from me to your kitty cat. I'll wait. All right. Teacher Pussycat the part. This is the kitty part. We can be the people part. Pussycat, Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, Pussycat, what did you there? I frightened the little mouse under her chair. And if you want, you can give your kitty cat a silly voice. Let's do it again. I'll be me, and Pussycat will have a silly voice. Pussycat, Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, Pussycat, what did you there? I frightened the little mouse under her chair. Isn't that silly? I can't wait to hear what your Pussycat voices sound like. I'll see you later.